You've come over really quick when I told you I was getting a cold. Bless me. You really want my cold, huh? Come here then. You'll be my tissue, yeah? That's great. Come closer. For the tissue. Yes, baby, rub my nose. It's better. Come in for a cuddle. Yeah. You really want my cold? Come here. Rub my nose up and down you. Thank you. Oh, I'm all snotty. Thank you for wiping that. You want to kiss me? So you definitely catch my cold. Over your face. Oh. Yes, it's a bit out of my nose. A bit more. More. Thank you for helping me wipe my nose. Over your arm. You rest my nose on your arm. How about you kiss me after I sneeze? Let's watch something together. Yeah, you can kiss me on my wet lips. Thank you for holding the tissue up to my streaming nose. You really want this cold, right? I know it turns you on. Yes, I love sneezing on you too. And you can sneeze on me. What a fun few days we're gonna have. Oh yeah. Please, rub my nose. This is a full-on cold. Give me another tissue. Let me nuzzle in your arm. Need to sneeze. Need to sneeze. Need to sneeze again. Sneeze. Here we go again. Hey!